everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, check out today's video because it is my favorite Dollar Tree haul ever. I've done a lot of Dollar Tree hauls, but this one is my absolute favorite. Come see why. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and I'm so excited that you decided to stop by because I hope that if you're in the US, you're able to snag some of the goodies that I'm about to show you because it is amazing. Welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for supporting me. And thank you for supporting my website. Everything that you're doing helps to keep me on YouTube. So before we jump in, if you're not a subscriber, I thank you for being here anyway, but I'd like to ask a favor. I'd love it if you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything except a few minutes of your time, and I think it'll be time well spent. So if you're not ready to commit right now, go ahead and give it some thought. Join me whenever you feel like the time is right, but I'm glad that you're here today. Y'all know that I do shop at Dollar Tree. I do some Dollar Tree hacks and I do some Dollar Tree shares. But this one I think is my favorite Dollar Tree share of items that I've bought. Some of these will be items that I'll use in my crafting. Some of these items will be behind the scenes items that will help me with my crafting. But I hope that after I share this with you, you will be inspired to find something similar, whether it's at the Dollar Tree or another store in your area that might have items like this. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because I want to show y'all this goodness. All right, y'all, so I removed all of those items from my desk because I want to show these to you one by one, and then I'll give you the overhead look at all of that goodness together. But I was in my local Dollar Tree, the one that I go to the most, and I walked in and I saw these. Y'all, look at how fabulous they are. It's a weekly planner. You get the planner page, you get the little sticky tabs, and then you get a little pad of your goals for the week. This is fabulous just as it is. It would make a perfect message board, but I think I'm going to take it apart and create something oh so posh with it. They had two styles and I got both. So they had this style, which is more of an earth tone style, and then they had this floral one. But y'all know how I love to do planning and organization projects for the upcoming year. Well, this is perfect for that. Look at how fabulous these are. Once we take them off of this platform, then they become more manageable to work into a craft, but you're also left with a very beautiful platform that you can use on yet another craft. So I got these two weekly planners. Then I found this 70-piece set of colored pencils in the Dollar Tree Plus section, $5. I don't know how well they're going to work, and I haven't really done a lot of coloring, but I used to color all the time. So I think I'm going to give it a try. These look like they might be okay. They have some nice vibrant colors in them. They were $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus section. At this time of the year, you might be able to find something like this way cheaper, but I just happened to pick it up because I thought that they were fabulous. Then as I was leaving the store, I saw these little mini lanterns, and I think that they are just so cute. I think that they really lend themselves to some Christmas crafts. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with these, but I think that they are just adorable. They're probably about 5 inches high, so they're not too big. They're very easy to work with. So I got a few of these. Then I got this 6-hole cup caddy. Y'all, I saw it at the Dollar Tree a while back when they first put out the back to school items. I didn't get it because I really didn't know if I would have a use for it, and I kept going in and I kept seeing them, and finally I decided, okay, I'm going to get a couple. By the time I decided I was going to get a couple, they only had the green and the yellow available, so that's what I got. I got a green and I got a yellow, because the more I looked at these, for me they're more than cup caddies. It really is a little crafty organizer. You can fill these cup holders and you can carry this around from spot to spot wherever you might be crafting. So I picked up a green and I picked up a yellow. And then I found these awesome little stackable acrylic drawers for $1.25, y'all. This is some really sturdy acrylic. It is not skimpy or anything. This is the same that you would find in like a Target or a Walmart if you were looking for acrylic products of any type. Very nice and sturdy. They actually stack. And I ended up getting quite a few of these. So if you look at the picture-in-picture on my screen, you can see how I have these stacked. I have 5 stacked here. I think I got 10 in all, but they stack beautifully. They stack they're very sturdy in how they're stacked. So you can use these for all sorts of littles. You can put these out on your desk. You can put these in the bathroom to hold some of your makeup items. Just a great little organization idea for $1.25 each. And when I say that they're not skimpy, y'all, these are hefty. So I have 3 absolute favorites from my recent Dollar Tree trip. And I don't know which one is my favorite of favorites. I like them all. But I am going to start with this. This is an acrylic note board. So I'm going to take it out of its packaging because I want you guys to see this. What it is it's 2 pieces of acrylic, and this part is a stand. So you take that and put it through like this. You can set it out on your desk, your workstation table, wherever you might be. Y'all, look at the picture-in-picture. It holds your phone, and you have a to-do list that you can write on here with a dry erase pen. I think that this is just so modern and so minimalist in how we store the phone and then how we take notes. It is absolutely one of my favorites from my recent Dollar Tree trip. Such an awesome idea. It is not heavy acrylic like the little storage box, but it is a nice weight to it. And I actually have one of these that I'm using, and it's holding up beautifully. So this is one of my favorite things. Here is another of my favorite things. Now, I found this in the frame section, and I think it's being considered a frame because it has the little easel stand on the back. But I'm not going to use this as a frame. I have an idea for this that I am just dying to share with you guys, but I picked up about 8 of these, and they're in the framing section. It is that nice MDF or pressed wood. I'm not sure which one. Maybe it's just pressed paper. Don't know. But you have the little wooden roof on it, and it's already pre-painted. So a lot of the work that I might have to do, I don't have to do, because all I'm going to do is decorate this in a way that I think you're going to love. So let me stand this up so that you can again look at the picture-in-picture and see how this actually looks. Y'all, I'm loving it. And y'all, here is my third favorite. It has absolutely nothing to do with paper crafting. Absolutely nothing. But it is so doggone cute. I'm using one right now in my bathroom because I've worn glasses since the 2nd grade. The 2nd grade. And having something like this small, is great for me. So I am just going to go ahead and open it because I want y'all to see this little cutie. So now it's double-sided. It has the side that really makes things look very close, and then it has the normal side, so you get that normal view. And like I said, I'm using one of these in my home already, and I can tell you that I don't get the distorted view that you would think you might get from a $1.25 mirror. I haven't tried to break this, but it feels like it's glass. I'm not going to break it, but it does feel like it's glass. Let's see if you can see me in, I don't know if you can see how large that is compared to this view, which is the normal view. But like I said, I've worn glasses since the 2nd grade, and I am constantly doing this in the bathroom. But this thing has a nice little stand on it, so I can take it and set it just like this. But the stand also doubles as a wall hanger, so you can hang this on the wall. Y'all, I don't know which one is my favorite. I don't know if it's my frame house. I don't know if it's my little mirror, or I don't know if it's my acrylic stand. But in my heart of hearts, I think I'm really leaning towards this because it's so practical and it helps me every single day. So each of these was $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. And don't quote me on this, but there's a rumor going around that the Dollar Tree is going to reduce some of its items back to $1. Now, I don't know that to be fact. I've simply heard that rumor. I've seen the rumor spread on Reddit. So maybe it's true that they are going to go back to $1 on some items. I'm not sure. But even at $1.25, y'all, this is a great, great deal. So I brought all of this back in and placed it on my desk so that you can see what I consider to be my best Dollar Tree haul for me personally. I might have done other hauls that were better to you, but for me, how I intend to use all of this and the awesome finds that I was able to get at the Dollar Tree, I truly consider this to be my favorite Dollar Tree haul ever. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of the items that I've shown you and which item out of everything that I've shown you was your favorite. I look forward to hearing your feedback on some of these finds. Y'all, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you'll stop by tomorrow because I'm going to have another fabulous video showing you how you can get 4 different looks from one piece of 12 by 12 paper. It is going to be amazing. So as always, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.